Have you ever wondered what happens when a key component of a product suddenly becomes unavailable? Or why some companies struggle with delivery delays while others seem to run like clockwork? Well, the world of supply chain management is packed with challenges, from unexpected disruptions to the constant balancing act between cost and efficiency. I remember when a massive semiconductor shortage hit the global automotive industry. It was chaos. Manufacturers were scrambling to adjust their supply chains, and it showed just how a single bottleneck can send ripples across entire industries, affecting everything from production schedules to whether you get your new car on time. Today, we're diving deep into the most common challenges in modern supply chains and exploring the traditional methods businesses use to tackle them. By the end of this video, you'll understand these challenges, how companies manage them, and why being resilient and flexible is so crucial. So what are these challenges? First up, demand volatility. Imagine a sudden spike in customer orders, or a complete drop-off. This can lead to either too much stock gathering dust or empty shelves, both of which hurt a company's bottom line and customer loyalty. Next, we have supply disruptions. Think natural disasters, political tensions, or a key supplier going bankrupt. These events can halt production and cause major delays. Then there are rising costs. Transportation, raw materials, and labor prices are always in flux, putting constant pressure on budgets. Add in logistics and transportation headaches like port congestion and limited truck drivers, and you've got a recipe for slowdowns. Finally, with globalization, managing suppliers across different countries brings a whole new level of regulatory and compliance risks. So, how have businesses traditionally dealt with this? One classic strategy is inventory buffering, keeping extra safety stock on hand to manage unexpected demand spikes or supply interruptions. Another is diversifying suppliers. Instead of relying on just one, they work with several to reduce dependency and build resilience. Companies also invest heavily in improving forecasting, using data and market trends to predict demand more accurately. Building strong relationships with suppliers is also key. It ensures better collaboration and can mean getting priority access to materials when things get tight. And of course, investing in technology like real-time tracking systems helps companies see what's happening in their supply chain and react faster. A perfect example was the global shipping crisis during the pandemic. Container shortages made it incredibly difficult to ship products across continents. Many companies adapted by rerouting shipments, finding regional suppliers to reduce their reliance on long, fragile supply chains, and even investing in nearshoring. I've faced my fair share of these challenges. Once, when I was managing a materials supply department, a key supplier's plant shut down overnight. We were left scrambling for a critical component, and our entire assembly line was at risk of stopping. It turned out they had gone bankrupt. Our immediate response was to quickly redistribute inventory from our other plants, while urgently qualifying a new backup supplier. That experience taught me firsthand the non-negotiable importance of supplier diversification and proactive risk management. So to wrap it up, modern supply chains are complex and face constant challenges. But by using strategies like inventory buffering, supplier diversification, and leveraging technology, companies can build the resilience and flexibility needed to succeed. The key is to adapt quickly and always be prepared for the unexpected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.